morning. So let us see today an example problem that is in the N D BHATT, that is page number 217. You can see problem number 10.12. Right? So here is the problem. So look at this. A line AB 65 mm long has its end A 20 mm above the horizontal plane and 25 mm in front of vertical plane, and point B is 40 mm above the horizontal plane and 65 mm in front of vertical plane. Draw the projections. In general case, what will be given? A line and its inclination. Okay, a line and inclination will be given such that we will draw the inclination of the line inclined to both the planes. But what is given in this problem is, they has given the location of that particular point. Where is the point A and where is the point B? So that we can find out how much the line is inclined to the particular plane. So let us see how it is going to be drawn. So right, the first one we have to draw the orthographic projection of point A with respect to the plane. So right, this is the first line. This is XY. First, draw the line XY. Next, what is here? The point A is 20 mm above the horizontal plane. So now what I will do is, I will take 20 mm from this point, from the XY. Just write down, this is 20. And A, front view, that is nothing but A dash. Above the horizontal plane and 25 mm in front of vertical plane. In front of vertical plane means that comes on the horizontal plane, it is rotated and it comes below the reference axis. So simply just you draw a line here, a very light line. Okay, and represent point 25 here. So just draw a dimension line and draw 25. This is the top view of point A. So now I located the point A, that is 20 mm above the horizontal plane here and 25 mm in front of vertical plane. It is clear. Now I want to locate the point B, that is 40 mm above the horizontal plane and 65 mm in front of vertical plane, where it is located. Right. So now from any of the point, just around the XY, I will take 40 mm point. Okay, and in front of vertical plane, so that is 65 mm. So I will take 65 mm. But I don't know what is the distance between this one. The total length of a line is 65 mm is there, but I don't know. Suppose if I have taken the point here, but if I draw a line between A dash and this point, it may not be 65. So what to do to get a 65 mm line? But the condition should be satisfied, that is A dash should be 20 mm above and B dash should be 40 mm above. So for that, what we have to do is draw a parallel line to XY passing through the point which we have taken as 40 mm above the XY. So now I will draw a parallel line here and I will draw one more parallel line here. Okay, so now this particular point is there. Just this is a point only I have taken for the reference to draw a line. Now what you do is, you take a length of 65 mm with the help of compass and draw an arc. Suppose let us take this is 65 mm. So now I keep 65 mm and I draw a arc. So now this is the length of 65 mm where I got on the point. But what we have taken a point here. But now this one is nothing but, so if you draw a line here, right, this is 65 mm line. So this is 65 mm line, right? A point is 20 above horizontal plane and B point is 25, sorry, A point is 25 in front of, then next B point is 40 mm. So B point is 40 mm. So you take at this point this is 40, at this point this is 40, because this is a locus of, you can write down here, locus of B dash. As usually, simply you take the same length, that is 65. Okay, I have taken the length here and take the same length with the center as A, just simply you make an arc here. Okay, then now this point we termed as B and simply you draw a line here. Okay. That is a line. Okay. Then next, you draw a parallel line to the xy. You draw a parallel line to the xy from point A dash and A. So now just see here. I will draw a parallel line. Okay, and from A also. Then, so here I have drawn a parallel line to xy, and here from A I have drawn a parallel line to xy. Now here I got some inclination that is theta, and here I got some inclination that is phi. So this is nothing but inclination with the horizontal plane. So whatever the inclination is there, that is with the horizontal plane, and here this is inclination with the vertical plane. Right here. When the line is inclined to the horizontal plane, its top view is going to be reduced, right? You already know. So simply you draw a line here up to this point. Okay. So this is a reduced length. Okay. Alright. Then next, you also draw the same length of a line towards the front view. So now this is the reduced front view. Let me take this as B1 and this one is B1 dash. Okay, B1 and B1 dash. After getting this reduced top view and reduced front view, what we have to do is we have to turn over to it. Turn over to the locus of B dash, and this one is locus of B. Okay, you have to turn. Just simply I will show it. Simply you take the same length here and I am turning it. Okay, and for this length, so here, so this length I am taking this one and just simply I will draw an arc. So now this is a point, this is B1 and this one is B1 dash. So after getting this B1 and B1 dash, draw a line from A dash to B1 dash and A1 to A to B1. So now I will try to connect it. So here this is the final front view and this is the final top view. In such cases, so whether it may be given the inclination with the horizontal plane, whether it is given with the vertical plane, or the position of the points may be given. So this is the problem where the position of the points are given and you are finding out the inclination with the horizontal plane as well as inclination with the vertical plane. And in the same problem, how to find out the traces. How to find out the traces. So if you extend the same final front view and it is going to meet at such particular point. At such particular point on the vertical plane, and the same thing when you are going to meet the same line at some particular point, right? So this one, if you draw a line here up to this vertical line, and here this one is called H and this one will call it HT. So this is horizontal place. And next, coming to the point where is the vertical trace is here, and here we are not getting any kind kind of horizontal, right? So here these are cases. So right, we'll go to the next problem, right?